What's going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add Bluetooth to any SC400 and any SC300. They don't come with aux option and they don't come with a USB option, so all you're stuck with is either the CD changer in the back or this cassette player right here. Now, my previous video was showing how to get a cassette player in any other car, but this is just specific for the SC400 because some of the things that I explained in that video only depends on if you have it. Everything in this video that I'm showing you, the SC400 and the SC300 both have that. So say you're tired of radio, because I'm not gonna lie, like I said in the last video, radio is kind of ass. I'm tired of listening to the radio and listening to all that garbage. I want to listen to my music. And the CD route, you know, it's not horrible listening to, you know, CD discs and stuff, but sometimes you just want to, you know, Apple CarPlay, stuff like that, but without changing your center console or your radio. Instead of modernizing your radio and kind of changing the look of things, because you have this classic look and then you have a screen, you know what I mean? So that's where this guy comes in. So this is a Bluetooth cassette player, and pretty much what it does is it acts like a real cassette player, but it will play anything you want from your phone. It takes the design of a cassette player, but it's really just an electric module, probably somewhere in the corner, like up here, and there's really not much to it. Pretty much all you have to do is just turn it on. So I'll just give it a second to turn it on. So now it is on. I will go ahead and pretty much insert it in. My car will eat it up. And so, just like I found out in the last video, I can't actually play music and record at the same time. Once you have that and it's plugged in, and the thing about SC400 and SC300 is as soon as you plug something in there, it'll turn on the cassette player option. So you're ready to go on that. And once you connect to the Bluetooth cassette player, you can start playing whatever music you want. And it's that simple. That's pretty much it. That's how to add Bluetooth to your SC400 and SC300 without changing any of the instruments in the car. If you did enjoy the video, or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.